And Mumsel, how much pepper?
500.
500 more. All right, more 500 worth. Yeah.
20.
500?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, my earth, man.
Hi guys, welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're back at Coronation Market, but I won't be shopping alone because I'm joined by recording artist Yaksta. Hi.
Welcome, mama.
Alright, give us a little, something to start us off.
I'm a fee 5 for the countryman a come. And Bobby wrong side bush and a run. Fee 5 for
Okay.
countryman a come. Well be up and a kill and down a drum. How that yak with the market bag in a Coronation Market.
Alright, you ready to do some shopping?
Every time, man.
Alright.
You ready?
Go.
Alright, forward.
Alright, so do you still farm?
Yes, I do.
What kind of farming you do?
Right now, what we're doing is watermelon and papayas. But for now, it's just not only me alone. You know, start collaborating with other farmers. I don't know, we don't have the time no more to do all that, you know?
So how do you manage farming and being an artist?
Some days, it's recording days. Some days, it's farming days. But you see, now that the farm is self-sufficient, I have employees now. So I basically pay them for, to operate. So, but I just dropped my second sophomore album, The Microphone Saved Me. You know, debut #1 in Cayman and several other countries. It's now #4 on the iTunes chart. All of organic views, organic streams and purchases. We have the late bloomer coming shortly, but for now it's just an album we're working on. And the people can get the album at yakstaworld.com. So go support the movement same way.
So is Bush Lord still a part of your brand?
Bush Lord is me. Bush Lord is I. Never, ever, ever will ever change. You understand?
And you also like to speak to youths about getting into farming.
Yeah.
So what advice do you have to youths?
Food is the staff of life. And for once you can feed the nation, you can supply yourself, you know? And right now, as you can see, every single thing now is industrialized and packaged to us as guinea pigs of society. So it's like when a youth can basically make himself self-sufficient by providing something essential as food. You don't know him having power to wealth, him just know how to manipulate the money.
Okay guys, so we're seeing a reduction in some of the prices this week. Onion is down, lettuce is down, and some prices are remaining steady. Yaksta, how did they find the market today?
Well, to be honest, I never really knew about the list or the prices last week, but fairly well. Like, the prices now, by uptown asking again, and you understand, because this is what I need, like how the country. Sell and come back for cheap down there, you know?
All right,
yeah.
so you're going, Coronation going to be a new stop?
Definitely, because really and truly, I see the quality for the quantity, you know, because really and truly, everything is so expensive now, you know, so if we can actually get these prices consistently, then why not try it, you know? Yeah.
All right, so come out and do your shopping this week. Until next time, bye!
Market bag. Don't have mark.